So if I record videos in the car while I'm driving, does that make my mileage a tax write-off? That is an excellent question. And the answer is it really depends. If the miles that you're driving are personally related, then it would not make it a business deduction. Just like slapping a magnet on your car or even getting your car fully wrapped in advertising doesn't make all the driving that you do advertising and business related. That's a common misconception in tax law. And the purpose of the trip actually has to be business related, even if you have advertising on your car and even if you're recording content while you're driving. So today I'm going out to my bookkeeping referral partner, Erin's, to co-work with her and have a business meeting. So my mileage is deductible today, and I'm using the time of commuting to multitask and make content. So to me, it's win-win. But if I was just driving my son to school or going to the grocery store and making content, then that mileage would not be deductible. And like I said, if I have advertising on my car, that doesn't make all my trips deductible. So keeping track of your personal mileage and your business mileage is very important if you use your car for both, because whether you use the standard mileage rate or the actual expense method of calculating your mileage, both methods require you to know how many business miles you drove and how many personal miles so you can allocate and make a percentage. If your business percentage is more than 50%, you have the opportunity to take things like bonus depreciation, where you take more of a deduction for your vehicle up front. But if the usage is less, and really most of the time, in my opinion, I feel like it's more beneficial to just use the standard mileage rate. So you would still need to know approximately your total miles for the year, and then you would need to know your business miles. But you wouldn't need to keep track of all the other things like you do with the actual expense method, like your fuel and your insurance and tires and repairs and, and everything. So it's definitely a much more simple method of tracking mileage, and it can be a complicated area of tax code. So if you have questions about what qualifies, what doesn't qualify, how you should be keeping track of things, I would love the opportunity to consult with you. I offer online virtual advisory sessions, and I will post the link to those here in the comments.